Oh yeah.
Yeah,
you got the shark fishing the shrimp boats. Covered up. Covered up. Watch each other's line. Hey. Let's throw another. I'd just rig it, or yeah, like grab another one. He's got a nice blackfin.
Gordo blackfin.
Gordo blackfin.
Look at him. They're following him too.
Following them up. Make sure that you guys' lines don't cross. Come on back, Dylan. Dylan, come back.
Gordo.
Come back, come back. You guys are crossed. There we go. Yeah, gap it. There we go.
Dylan, you got a
Gordino.
Big ones.
All right, mine's coming in here.
Okay, here you go.
Just kidding. All right, I'm going to the front.
Walk on up. Yep. Just make sure you guys just don't cross.
I got Gordo.
Oh yeah, nice tuna there. Big blackfin. Nice one. JC.
Yeah. Yeah, they're both right here. Oh shit, don't cross that one.
Just don't cross, guys.
Dylan, yeah, yours is up here.
Conchs, there you go.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Oh, he's a flying soda.
Okay, right here, right here. JC got him. Pull him in, JC. Big one. Right up here, Tuck. Tuck, right here.
Sick. Gangster.
Good job. Okay, now get Dylan's. Get Dylan's. There you go. Hold him on up.
Yeah, boy.
Jordan, JC.
Hell yeah.
Hold him on up. What do we got here?
Some 30 pounds.
Yeah, boy. Back up. Okay, here you go, Jordan. Hold him on up. Here you go. Come on, JC. There we are. There we go. Yeah, big ones. Monsters. Ready to work? Yeah. All right, let's go get some more.
Yeah, baby. Sick.
Dylan's still on his.
Yeah, his buddy's just following.
Yeah.
Dylan's still on his. Yep, got another one right there. Nice big tuna following it.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, like throw it on out. Got one. Yep, you see him right here, JC? There's another one right here with him. You got a bait. There you go.
Hey.
All right.
Hey.
Right here, turn him this way, Tuck.
Gordino.
Nice fish. Nice fish. Monster. There you go.
The gap.
Here you go, throw him. All right, hold him on up there, Dylan.
Look at that stud.
Yes, sir.
Butterball.
Big one.
I'm gonna
Good
take
job,
this gap
pretty
up
work.
here.
All right.